So uMangwabe calls uMakhumalo to order on this episode of Uthando Nesithembu. Let's get into it. Hi guys, igama lami ngu-Asanda Wakakhathi and welcome on Tito's Corner, where I give you your daily and weekly reactions of your favorite shows, music, trending topics and more. Today I'm going to be reviewing Uthando Nesithembu episode, is it 13? Episode 13, season 7 of Uthando Nesithembu. Okay, so the episode is basically about the whole family going on a family trip and so they having fun. Macele doesn't come and it was a beautiful trip, right? They get there, the place is beautiful. It's in Wild Coast Durban and Sun Coast. I hadn't heard of it before, but I was blown away by how beautiful it was. I love Durban, guys. You guys should come here. That's why there's even like this joke that goes, there is no episode of I Blew It that doesn't end, or that ends without people saying I went to Durban. Like there's no episode. Every episode of I Blew It on Mzansi Magic has that one like every episode they always say I went to Durban. And that's because Durban is a beautiful place, guys. But that's besides the point. Back to this. There they are as a family. Bachilile, it's beautiful, the vibes are great, and they all are, getting along on the table, which is highly unlikely usually, right? So Umselegu hints ukuthi he's going to be spending the night with the Mangwabe, and Mangwabe is like, okay, let's go. So when they go, everybody in the table is thinking they're going to make love like a married couple, and it turns out Mangwabe ditched him the minute they hit the corner. And when she ditched him, the next day he was pissed. He was like, you didn't come and see me. You said you're gonna come, you didn't prioritize me. You got a call from your friend, you got distracted, you never came to me at night, and we were supposed to spend the night together. And Mangwabe was just like rolling her eyes, being like, oh, like, sir, nobody died. I don't wanna sleep with you. I had a child, and so Umakhumalo, like in true Makhumalo fashion, she butted in the conversation, and with confessional, she said she didn't really want to say anything to Umangwabe at the table, because in the past there was an incident when Umakhumalo interjected when Umangwabe no Mselegu were at loggerheads, and when that was happening, Umakhumalo tried to kind of ambonise Umangwabe, no, don't do that. You treat your man like this. Umangwabe was like, hey, don't put your notes in there. And what's with Umakhumalo, since then she doesn't want to like interject screen that was like and to be quite honest, kudos to Mangwabe. Umakhumalo needs to learn boundaries, man. No two relationships are the same. Just because when you treat your man a certain way, don't come and tell me and coach me how to treat my man, because at the end of the day, if he was satisfied with you, there wouldn't be me in the picture. So you're not doing everything right. So don't be giving people advice as if you are the end all be all in wife kingdom. Because I'm also a wife, and he married me because there's something in me that he sees, that he likes. So back off. That's basically what Mangwabe said, but not in so many words allegedly, because she's a woman of a few words. And yeah, I'm glad, man. I'm glad she put Thobile in her place, even if it was not reflective of this episode. But for the very fact that Thobile has learned those boundaries, kubalulekile as women for us to know ukuthi indlela yethu is not just the only way to go. Indlela yethu iyahluka. And for the very fact that Umselegu is still hung up on Mangwabe, she must be doing something right, Thobile. So back off. Period. But I like Uthobile. I think she's very beautiful. She reminds me of my cousin Usne. She looks like my cousin Usne, but I just think Uthobile, she's closed-minded. She's closed. She thinks she's open-minded, but in reality, like when she speaks, she's closed-minded. Angle yomunye umuntu ubona izinto ngendlela ebona ngayo yena, and because yena ubona into ngaleyo ndlela, that's how it is. Kanti it's usually not, this season in Thobile, she's still a child. She has a lot of growing up to do, allegedly. Going forward, they all had a phenomenal family trip. They sang happy birthday to Sne, wajabula Sne, ukuthi hawu kanti nami ngiyangicabanga nangitholela nekhekhe. And then they were like, no Sne, we do sicabanga sinike ngokuthi sengisho Sne wakamselegu manje in the episode. They were like, no Sne, siyahlezi sicabanga sinike ngokuthi uhlezi ungekho ngebirthday yakho. This is the only birthday of yours la ukhona khona. So That is why we are doing something for you. It's because you're present and it's your birthday, and she was happy, she was excited, and it was a beautiful trip. Nobody fought with anybody. They went on water slides, they had a family breakfast, family dinner, and it also showed Umselegu's capabilities as a father. Guys, one thing about Umselegu, he's a freaking excellent father, man. Yes, like I can't take that away from him. The more I watch Uthando Netempu, I see this man, he is so good as a father. Like his gift as a father. I understand now why he wants to have such a big family. He loves kids. And he's such a good father. The way he's present for all of his kids, and he was talking about the fact that when he's in the building, at least ufuna ukubabingelela bonke noba baningi bebanjalo babingelele bonke and then ahambe sibabonile. And ngiyathanda ngokuthi even if usine ehlupha akamlahli usine, because ingane yakhe vele ngiyazi amlahli, uzomlahlela ba? Awukho umgqomo wokulahla umuntu, my dear. And I love that. Not a lot of African fathers are that evolved. So seeing an African man ogqajayo ngokuthi umZulu being an excellent father, and a father that okwaziyo ukuthi adapted to modern times and reprogram his mind from that place where he feels like I'm the adult, therefore what I say goes. He's not like that with he's very diplomatic with his family. He's very also liberal with his kids, and it's beautiful to watch. What a phenomenal father. 10 out of 10. This episode for me was a 10 out of 10. This was the best episode of the season. I loved it. And people on Twitter are saying, ooh, because there's no drama. I'm not saying there's drama, but I'm just saying there was no drama. Okay? Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Do you guys think I'm crazy? Do you think Uthobile is within a right? A comment relationship here? Yeah, do you think? What do you think? Tell me in the comment section. Alternatively, please do subscribe for more of my reactions, and please like this video if you agree with me. God, other than that, good night, have a beautiful night, and